Minor guardianships are created in 15 probate courts in Vermont, serving 14 counties. At the end of 2012, there were 2,843 minor guardianships in the probate court. It is presumed that the interests of minor children are best promoted in the child's own home. However, when parents are temporarily unable to care for their children, guardianship provides a process through which parents can arrange for family members or other parties to care for the children. Each probate courtroom looks different. Judges, but no juries. They are not anything like we see on TV. Chittenden County has the largest number of minor guardianships and has the only full-time judge. Some minor guardianship hearings take place with both a judge and a court register present. Some include only a judge. Probate staff are very knowledgeable about the minor guardianship process. They are the first point of contact for a family considering a custodial minor guardianship, and will help the families find all the forms necessary to file a petition. Most, but not all, guardianships are voluntary. Ensuring parental consent is necessary in a voluntary guardianship. Family members can make better decisions about minor children when they understand the consequences of those decisions and are informed about the law and the available supports. Decisions about raising a child made by a person other than the child's parent should be based on the informed consent of the parties, unless there has been a finding of parental unsuitability. When the informed consent of the parents cannot be obtained, parents have a fundamental liberty interest in raising their children, unless a proposed guardian can show parental unsuitability by clear and convincing evidence. There is a fee to create a minor guardianship. If paying the fee is a hardship, there is a form to fill out that could help reduce the fee. A Vermont criminal background check is done on all household members over the age of 16 who live with the proposed guardian. A probate court hearing to create a minor guardianship is very different than hearings in family court, where the state is requesting that a child be removed from a parent. Families come to probate court to make private arrangements, to take care of the children when complex situations arise. Maintaining a balance in these family relationships is crucial to the success of the guardianship. Research demonstrates that timely reunification between parents and their children is more likely when children have safe and substantial contact with their parents. It is in the interest of all parties, including the children, that parents and proposed guardians have a shared understanding about the length of time that they expect the guardianship to last, the circumstances under which the parents will resume care for their children, and the nature of the supports and services that are available to assist them. Minor guardian legal education and support teams can provide services to families in the Addison and Chittenden County probate courts. A pre-hearing opportunity is now available in both counties for parents and proposed guardians to discuss with the support team all legal options and how a guardianship may impact the rights, roles, and responsibilities of all. Families can also learn about available supports and services. Vermont Parent Representation Center, Inc. and KenCan Vermont are available to support the multi-generational guardianship families working in the Addison and Chittenden probate courts. The goal is to provide legal education, information, and navigation to all minor guardianship families in Vermont probate courts. Once the guardianship is established, transitional assistance begins for the kinship triad, including the parents, the children, and the guardians. Support and services that each may find helpful are identified, and navigation assistance begins. This is a continuation of what was introduced during the pre-hearing opportunity. Vermont minor guardianships involve nearly 3,000 families. Most guardianships consist of 3 generations who may want support and services at different times during the guardianship. Helping families identify and access services they want is crucial to successful outcomes for the children involved. A guardianship should create relationships. It is all about building bridges, not wedges within a family, and respecting the strengths which each family member brings. In 2014, the Vermont legislature passed a new minor guardianship law. This law will take effect on September 1, 2014. The law creates new opportunities for legal education, information, and navigation to support and services. It is hoped that with the passage of the new law, Vermont will create community-based resources to support minor guardianship families throughout the state.